So does a vision board work? I absolutely think it works. Hey fashionistas, it's Ariel aka Fashion and Ari, and on this channel we do a lot of fashion and sewing. Today we're going to be working on our vision boards. I'm so excited to work on this. So what is a vision board? It is basically a collage of images and affirmations of one's desires and goals. So does a vision board work? I absolutely think it works. I think it's great to write things down. Anything that I have in my mind, I love to write it down either on a notebook or in our phones. We're all in our phones and we have notes on the iPhone or whatever we have. There's always a place to write things down. So I do believe vision boards work because you get to visually see those words or those images that represent your goals, and it helps you manifest that by seeing it every day and knowing to act towards those things each and every day. So step one is is to think about what really matters to you. What are some things that you want to change in your life, change for the future? Reflect on where you've been, how this past year went, and what would you like to change going forward. Step two is to get magazines, and I have my magazines right here. I went to Walmart and I already started clipping, so some of the titles may not be here, like this Essence magazine, but since when, I guess, like, magazines are so hard to find now because, like, what happened to Elle, Vogue, Marie Claire, you know, all those magazines I did not see in the store. Maybe they're just digital now, I have to look into that. But so far I just found the Knot. I am a bridal wear designer, so I figured I will catch some inspiration in here. Of course, Essence, I'm black and this is like black girl magic. I figured I would see something in here. And this Power of Exercise magazine. There's a mom and a child on here. I am a mom of two, so, and I do want to exercise more, so I figured I'd find something in here. And then these two magazines I actually got at New York Fashion Week when I used to live that life. So I thought maybe I wouldn't cut into these because these are memorabilias kind of, and I thought I could keep them on a coffee table, but I don't even have a coffee table now because of my children. I'm just gonna cut into these. If you cannot find magazines, print pics online. The year that I did do a vision board, 2021, I printed everything from Pinterest, Canva, and also Google Images, so that's also a good option. My entire board I'm gonna keep to myself, but I'm gonna give you tips on like where to start and give you some inspiration of what you should put on your board. This is step number 4. I lost count, but the key to making a vision board work is by putting it somewhere that you can see it every day. Use words that are short, images that are vivid and attractive for you to see every day. You can make it small, you can make it large. Let me show you what I have. I have this board. I don't know if you can see the full thing, but I got this at Walmart and it's 20 inches by 30 inches. So it's a pretty large one. Also, don't be afraid to modify it as the year goes by. You know, if there's something on there that you would like to change or you're not really want to focus on that anymore, take it off. Feel free to add things to it. It's your vision board. Make it fun, and this is also something that you could do with your girlfriends or your guy friends. Make this like a party, a vision board party. As a matter of fact, I have my wine right here. So depending on when you're watching this, either get a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, or wine with your girlfriends or your friends, and let's create our vision boards. So I put on my glasses so I can read this stuff, but I just want to give you examples of a few things that I would put on my board just in case you're looking through the magazines and you don't know what like how to even start. So, well, this is not from a magazine, but of course I wanted to add some texture to my board, some fabric. I am a fashion designer, so I definitely want to add something like this on my board that just represents designing to me. Just treat yourself. And I just think that this is something we all should be doing, taking care of ourselves, treating ourselves, especially as moms. Like, we forget ourselves, and we should definitely do this more. So this is something that I would want to see on my board that will catch my eye. On Walt Disney World, this represents my children. They're at a good age right now, so I would like to take them to Disney World in 2024. Of course, I would put this on my board. This represents my clothing brand, REJ Collection. This is a daily reminder to keep pushing forward and working. Get glam. And I am doing that a little bit more now that I'm doing content and things like that. And I am in my perfume era. So, and I just got one of these, the pistachio gelato, and it smells amazing. So just reminding myself to continue my perfume era and building my small collection, things like that. So those are just some ideas, just anything that you want to work on, focus on. So I hope that that helped. Yeah, you guys, I'm so excited for the new year. I wish you all success. I hope you have fun creating yours. May we all reach our goals and get to where we want to be in life. Thank you so much for rocking with me on this YouTube journey with me. I can't wait to see where this channel will grow. If you want to sew with me, check out my videos. I'll be teaching more, doing more DIYs and challenges. So please subscribe. I wish you all a happy new year, and until next time, you guys, bye.